Find the exact value of cosine 17 pi over 12. Now we know our unit circle, and there's nowhere on the unit circle that gives me 17 pi over 12. So this is what I can do. I can rewrite cosine as two angles being added together. So something like this, right? So what two numbers could I add together to get me the 17 that if I divide them by 12, I get some magic numbers? Well, let's try 9 pi. And let's try 8 pi. And what that does is that gets me cosine 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi over 3. And now those on separate occasions are things that I can do. Now, why am I doing this? Well, I'm going to use basically what's called the angle addition identity for cosine. I'm sure I botched the name on that, but you get the idea. So this is me following this rule right here. Cosine alpha, named after me, plus beta, not named after me, is the same exact thing as cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. So if I follow these rules and pretend that you're alpha and pretend that you're beta, I'll be able to get exactly what I want using the unit circle and stuff like that. So I can rewrite this as cosine 3 pi over 4 times cosine 2 pi over 3 minus sine 3 pi over 4 sine 2 pi over 3. Now, these are all unit circle guys, so I have them memorized. So I'm going to go through them kind of quickly. If you need help with these, go back and watch some other videos and get me some of that sweet YouTube money. Cosine 3 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2. Cosine 2 pi over 3 is negative a half. Minus sine of 3 pi over 4 is regular root 2 over 2. Sine 2 pi over 3 is regular root 3 over 2. Negative times a negative is a positive. Root 2 times 1 is root 2 over 4 minus root 2 times root 3 is root 6, and 2 times 2 is regular 4. Root 2 minus root 6, both of them over 4, is going to end up being, and let me put it over here where I have a little bit more space, root 2 minus root 6 over 4. I can't simplify that any further. Don't even try it. Don't even be like, they're evens. Nah, they're square roots. They're not even. So that's it. That's the cosine addition identity, trigonometry, postulate, theorem, axiom thing. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.